So yeah, I started doing this, but then I was like, no, I need to get the camera because I want to show you guys, because I know it's gonna be a very informative video, and I know a lot of people can't really afford like the $1,000 hoods, and this is gonna be like probably the cheapest way you can get a vented hood with, you know, and it's gonna look sick. I was also thinking that maybe eventually down the line I can do some like carbon fiber molds onto the vents, so like after the car's painted, only this part would be carbon fiber. But I've been thinking about it. I don't know, it's gonna take a lot of work to do that. I got an hour. I think I got enough time to cut the rest of the hood, and maybe I can take it to work tomorrow to weld out the vents. Let me just clean this mess up, because there's literally no space for me to even move around here. So the reason why I'm probably gonna take this to work to weld it is because these hoods are aluminum. If it was steel, I'd be able to just like weld it out in one day and like have a fully vented hood like in one day. But no, this is aluminum. I'm gonna take it to work to take weld it. Try to take the camera to work to record it, because honestly I like recording at work. Let's just look. I'm not trying to do this without getting dirty. I'm not trying to go to the chiropractor all dirty. This is very OSHA approved. Face back, no gloves. We're mint. You know what? Dumb as hell. I can just fucking cut it out at work. Epic cut to work. Trying to get the car all set in here. Going to try to be sneaky about this, because, or not sneaky, but there's still a lot of people here working. Kind of disrupt people because I don't want to get in trouble. I'll try to get some footage. I know it's you. Don't mind the taco hat or the outfit. This is what I work on, because I don't want to catch on fire with my regular clothes. I think it's pretty cool how like they let me bring a truck in here. So I forgot to bring my camera, so I'm recording this with my phone. So excuse the shitty quality. I still need to cut this whole side up. That side's already done. Cut the skeleton under it. Let's go to town. Cut the top out. Some rivets on this to stiffen up the mount. Let the glow. The hood all sanded down. We got the plates. It's ready to go. It's gonna look so good. I only sanded that. I didn't really need to. I only needed to sand down the sides, but at least I only did it to 2 vents. But I'll be able to sand that out or blend it out somehow. So the hood is welded. Realized that these don't need to get fully welded, just tack weld, because then when I fill it with the Bondo glass, it should be strong enough. If you're doing this at home and you don't have access to a welder, put a backer on it and then just fill it with Bondo glass, and that should be enough to hold it. Just make sure not to build up a lot of Bondo, because or else the heat of the engine will crack it. So I'm just literally gonna grab the grinder, blend this all the tack welds down, do it out with some Bondo glass. We're finally back. Look at this. Looks so good. Can't wait to finish it off. This side's pretty much done. I'm just gonna need to blend this out a little bit more.
Secret?
What?
I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, me neither. But it's somehow working out because it's like really nice. Looks fucking good. Bro, the fucking music. I'm gonna get
copyrighted again?
Yeah. Alright, it's been a couple days. hood is like almost done. I only got to do this side, but it's gonna be so much easier now that I know how to lay down Bondo. Fill in this like little nicks from me welding it. The objective today is to finish this thing, be done with it. I wanna start it, I can't start it with all this dust. So I'm gonna blow it off and then continue sanding and try to get it done before the sun goes down. I highly doubt it's gonna happen, but I got to. Look how good that looks. It's so wide. So my other camera fell, and that's where that is at. I'm having a hard time even fixing it, but the good thing is that I have two of them. It's a nice ass day. Look at that, brought it out. Looks so sick. I'm gonna drive it to the school that's like close to the garage. Just by driving this car in the parking lot, oh my god, it feels so much better than my last one. We're moving. It's been so long. I'm scared. I just hope no cop drives by because completely not road legal. Oh my god, that rear fitment though. Hell yeah. Almost there, boys, almost there. It's so close. Heck yeah. Hey, this guy pulled up. Hey, hit the switches. Oh, the batteries are dead? Oh, that's sick. That's so dope. Alright, so the hood is done. As you can tell, it looks pretty fucking good. I'm surprised that it came out good. All there is left to do is primer it, but I will do the whole car at once because I need to sand down the car and primer it and get it ready for either paint or wrap, but I'm most likely gonna go wrap because there's a lot of fiberglass exposed. Just driving it around in the parking lot, the tire swings a lot of dirt and rocks, and so I know this is not gonna last very long if I paint it. Neither is the rear. But look at that, guys. It's like good. It's really good. I'm so impressed. It wasn't very hard. So all I did was tack those metal plates here. I fully welded them. At first I was just gonna do 4 tacks or whatever and then just Bondo it, but I mean I just ended up welding the whole thing. So now there's no way in hell that's gonna crack. And I just used the Bondo just to blend everything out, make sure that everything is nice and flush and smooth. On the other side it's the same thing. It looks really good. They're like perfectly symmetrical. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please come back to the channel and give this videos or all my future videos a thumbs up because I'm gonna start uploading weekly. I'm gonna try my best. It's super hard, but thank you guys so much for watching, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.